ingredients to make a soft, hardish thing. So let's get started. First, you'll need water, a bowl, half a cup of water, and you also will need cornstarch because it's important if you need cornstarch. So let's get started. So first, we'll need the half a cup, and
half a cup. So pour the water into the half cup. You fill it all the way up over the bowl so we don't make a mess.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Just like that.
Pour. And then you pour.
What else do we need?
You also need cornstarch.
You want me to help you with that too?
Cornstarch because it's important to have cornstarch.
Let me help you with that.
Just need cornstarch. Cornstarch. Ooh. Then put this cornstarch in there. Then you make sure that you put all of it in there or else it will make a mess. Then I need to get a spoon to mix it up. And you mix it all up. Mix it all up. There.
You need help mixing it?
No, I got it. And you mix it up. It's kind of a doughy texture after it's all mixed. It's really fun to make. I've made it before with my mother, and it's really fun to make. It's really, really fun to make. And then you just put it into the refrigerators for about a day or two, and then it will be done. Then you cut it into cubes and then it's done.
Then it's done.
It's really cool to make. And my aunt made it before at her old house, and it was in her pool, and it was kind of cool. It was really cool. Really, really cool. So make sure you put some into your pool, then it will be all mushy and gooey and yucky. And I'll go get some. Now I'll go to the potty, so be right back.
This is fun. Are you coming back? Got my hands all in it.
Ooh, can I try that?
Yep.
I just washed my hands. So now it's my turn and I'm back. So
I get to wash my hands.
and it looks disgusting to put in your hands, but it's really fun to do and play with. It smells like flour. And you mix it all together. It smells kind of stinky. Ew.
Are you done with the video?
No.
No.
And it's pretty cool and fun to play with. It's fun! Yay! Fun! 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 Fun under the sun.
Show them what it looks like.
Looks like this. And it's messy and doughy, but it's kind of fun and cool to play with. And it's really, it kind of has a gooey texture to it.
It's a solid, but it's a liquid.
Yeah.
Okay, well tell them goodbye.
Bye bye.